Imagine a world where the seemingly impossible becomes possible. Today, we're diving deep into the most extraordinary places on Earth that defy scientific explanation. Join us as we explore 8 of the most bewildering and inexplicably real locations known to exist in this video, 8 terrifying travel destinations science can't explain. Prepare to have your mind blown by these natural wonders that remain cloaked in mystery and allure, and you be the judge if you want to add them to your travel bucket list or not. From boiling rivers to floating mountains, these destinations challenge our understanding of the natural world and invite us to question what we think we know about the planet we call home. Each site offers a unique glimpse into the unusual and the unexplained, serving as a testament to Earth's diverse and often mysterious natural phenomena. Number 8. The Great Blue Hole. Plunge into the enigmatic depths of the Great Blue Hole, located off the coast of Belize. This giant marine sinkhole, renowned for its stark clarity and deep indigo waters, was formed during the last ice age. Today, it beckons scuba divers from around the globe, eager to explore its hidden underwater cave system, adorned with ancient stalactites and teeming with unique marine life. More than just a dive site, the Great Blue Hole acts as a portal to Earth's geological past, offering invaluable clues about the natural history of our planet. However, adventurers beware, the sinkhole's allure comes with risks, as it's known for the mysterious disappearance of several divers. Number 7. The boiling river of the Amazon. Venture next into the heart of Peru's Amazon rainforest to discover the boiling river known locally as Xanaytimpishka. This river defies the typical characteristics of freshwater bodies with its scalding temperatures. The water is heated by natural geothermal energy far beneath the Earth's crust, making it one of the few rivers in the world where the water temperature can reach nearly boiling points. The boiling river is not just a hot spring but a vibrant ecological and geological hotspot that continues to captivate scientists and adventurers alike. Number 6. The Sargasso Sea. Set sail for the Sargasso Sea, a unique region of the Atlantic Ocean defined not by land boundaries but by ocean currents. This sea is famed for its extensive mats of floating sargassum seaweed, which create a rich habitat supporting a diverse array of marine life. The Sargasso Sea is a vital ecological zone, offering researchers valuable insights into marine biodiversity and the adaptive behaviors of oceanic species within this floating marine forest. Number 5. Racetrack Playa. Witness the puzzling spectacle of walking rocks at California's Racetrack Playa. Located in the desolate reaches of Death Valley, this dry lake bed is famous for its sailing stones, which mysteriously glide across the sandy surface, leaving etched trails in their wake. This phenomenon occurs under the perfect conditions of thin ice sheets and light winds, which combine to push the rocks over the slick mud. The moving stones of Racetrack Playa challenge our perceptions of physics and continue to draw both geologists and curious visitors from around the world. Number 4. The Sea of Stars. Travel next to the Maldives, where the Sea of Stars on Vadhu Island awaits. This remarkable natural phenomenon occurs when bioluminescent plankton in the water are disturbed, causing them to glow and create an illusion of a starlit sky on the surface of the sea. This stunning display of natural light transforms the beach into a luminous tapestry that captivates visitors and reminds us of the hidden wonders in our natural world. Number 3. Magnetic Hill. Defy gravity at Magnetic Hill in Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada. Here, an optical illusion makes it appear as though vehicles roll uphill against the pull of gravity. This quirky geographical anomaly provides not only a fun and mystifying experience but also sparks curiosity about the nature of perception and the peculiarities of topographical illusions. Number 2. The Devil's Pool. Experience the thrill of swimming at the edge of a waterfall at Devil's Pool, located at the precipice of Zambia's awe-inspiring Victoria Falls. In the dry season, a natural rock barrier forms, allowing the brave to swim safely at the very edge of one of the world's largest waterfalls. This natural pool offers a unique blend of exhilaration and scenic beauty, providing a daring yet awe-inspiring experience. Number 1. Rainbow Mountain. Conclude your journey at Peru's Rainbow Mountain, also known as Vinicunca, where the mountainside dazzles with stripes of vivid colors. These colors, created by mineralogical diversity exposed through erosion, paint the mountain in hues ranging from turquoise to lavender to maroon. Rainbow Mountain is a geological masterpiece, drawing visitors not only for its breathtaking beauty but also for the surreal hiking experience it offers. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey to some of the Earth's most scientifically baffling locations. If you're fascinated by these wonders, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our new videos, where we continue to explore the mysteries of our world. Like, comment, and share to keep the adventure alive. Which destination amazed you the most? Drop us a comment below. Be sure to check out our next video for more mind-bending explorations. Safe travels and never stop wondering about the beautiful, mysterious world around us.